Hello, my friend, Angela.
Hello, Dalal. It's wonderful seeing you and being with you always.
You know what? I am so excited because, as you know, we're working on the franchise and we're helping lots of doctors. And you know, many doctors are wonderful people, but they're, I hate to say that, but we suck with business.
Yeah, but you keep us all alive.
So we do it, you know, we do a great job together.
Yeah.
But most of us don't realize how important it is to know, to find someone who understands rules and regulation and understand metrics. The word metrics. The word metrics is not taught in medical school. Okay, KPIs. Woo! Most of us don't even know what that means.
Right, I know.
And how important that, you know. So tell me more. How can you help my clients? How can you help my doctors to really achieve great financial success besides what I'm teaching them? How can you teach them to save more, to be wise with taxes, and understand the numbers and understand metrics?
Well, I'm Angela Snyder, and thank you, Dalal, so much for having me. So I can work with doctors, and I have been working with doctors to really learn and understand the specific numbers they need to know. Whether it be, you know, some people will say EBITDA, or they'll say what their profit percentage is, but it's really looking at your individual business, because not everybody is looking at the same metrics. But it's, you know, when I talk to a doctor that explains it down to a really basic level, which you really help me do that, you know, and then when you do that, people understand and then they remember it. So I really bring things down to a very basic understanding.
So you simplify things.
Simplify
You
it.
make it easy, but
I make
you
it
also
easy, and I make it
teach
relatable.
them.
Yes. And I make it relatable so that you can remember, because I find so many people, when they go to their accountant, that they feel like an idiot. They don't know what to say. They don't know what to ask. And so I've dealt with that for so long that I usually try and predict what you're wanting to ask or what you're needing to know before it gets to that point.
And more importantly, suppose you want to sell your business.
Very much, yes.
So what do you ask for?
Oh, they ask for solid financials.
Right.
But, you know, so what we do is we go in and make sure that they're prepared and ready. We just have a couple of clients now that are in the more of the med spa area, but they are selling their business, you know, in
For multiples.
From multiples. They're in nine figures. Figures, and they've only been in business for 6 years.
Yay!
And
That's
they
what
started
each
with me.
and each and every one of you need to be. You need to be I am a 9-figure business doctor or healthcare provider or healpreneur. Why? Because when you have that capability to have 9-figure, you can allow yourself to have free time. You have freedom. You have life. You can be in paradise like we are here.
You can. And so many people don't realize how simple it is. You know, if you just open up, you know, I really love, and I'm more of a holistic where I look at everything. You know, are you being, you know, have you looked at your insurance in a while? What about your workers' comp? You know, what about your benefits? And I know enough in those areas to say, oh, wow, you know.
You know a lot more than enough. What are you talking about? You know,
but I don't sell those products. Okay. And that's where my guidance, I feel, comes in, because I'm not financially benefiting by saying those things, you know.
But you can.
Oh, absolutely,
because
I can.
You have the capability to say, hey, watch this.
Absolutely.
Pay attention to that. Because your business, your wealth is so important. Because without what you have worked for, you really can't help even patients.
No, you can't.
I mean, you can't if you're financially...
If you're worrying about your next bills, or you're in debt, or you're drowning, that's all that's consuming you, usually. And I've met, in fact, every single doctor I've worked with has had some financial issues. And,
we all do.
And it's okay. You know, I make people feel as if, you know, very comfortable, because entrepreneurs are not alone. So your typical entrepreneur, okay, is about 5 to 6 years behind in filing their taxes. I know that's shocking, but that's very true. And your typical doctor and highly successful entrepreneur is on a payment plan with the IRS in the 6-figure range. So that's what we deal with. That's what I deal with. I tend to attract that because, they need
you're
help.
capable. You developed an authority
Yes.
in that. And I am so honored and blessed to have you as part of the team because you are helping doctors. You're creating seminars for doctors so that you can tell them to teach them being financially savvy.
Yes.
Being financially capable to be in control of your life
Right.
and your finances and your destiny.
Yeah.
You don't make $2 million and keep zero. That's no good.
Yeah, no, that's no good. That's no good.
You don't make $100,000 and give it all to the IRS.
Right, that's no good either. Yeah.
So, you got to have someone who teaches us the ins and outs of how to run a great, successful, incredible business.
Yes, absolutely. And I can help you not look like a fool on the golf course with enough cool ways to explain something where somebody else may be talking about something and you're like, what am I going to say? I'm not really sure. Or you just agree with what they're saying.
So
I work on
financial
that.
literacy.
Financial literacy.
Yeah. But here, I am so excited to share with each and every one of you that I have a team of great assets, and they have talent that is beyond talent. Mm-hmm. And anyone that I would recommend would be somebody that would make your life better. If you ever have a question, do not forget to look for Angela.
Stick a Snyder. Just remember my initials.
Yeah. Find her on Facebook. Thank you. This is Dr. Akoury. I love you. Mwah.